Hello, hi, this is Midhi Naveen Kommalapati. Today, I would like to discuss about my project presentation, and my project name is Restaurant Data of Zomato, and I take this Zomato data set from the Kaggle, and these are my information. And coming to the project, this is the about the data set. This information is about the Zomato users whose frequent restaurants, and it's explained by 22 different characteristics, including cost, comments, and votes. The major fields in the data set are country, city, locality, cousins, average cost of two restaurants, and votes. And coming to this project, yeah, we need to know about what are the uh, basic restaurant views and what for example, in case we visit any restaurants, any new places, we need to find favorite restaurant and the average cost of the restaurant, all those things. And this project is maybe helpful for this. For example, in case we go to new places, we need to find new restaurants, most restaurant, cheapest restaurant, costly restaurant, and what are the average cost of these restaurants, and what are the rating of this restaurant, how many votes for this restaurant. It includes all those things in this project. Coming to the these are the analysis. For example, in case to update the restaurant, we must find the low or underrated eateries in the data, discover the cities and nations with most affordable and expensive restaurants, the distribution of the select few nations like the USA, India, and other nations. For this visualization, I use a Tableau for the following justifications for using the Tableau tool. And for coming to one data visualization and quick procedure interactive visualizations, it is capable of handling big data sets. For more compatibility with many dataset types, including SQL, Excel, JSON, and few additional data types. And these are the visualization of first city with cheapest and expensive restaurants in India. And these are the visualizations about this project. And come in the data set, you can see that what are the city and name, what how many votes for this restaurant, ratings, and the average cost of these two restaurants. And this is the graph that shows the cheapest and expensive restaurants in India for the average cost of two people is shown below. That graph above shows that the Ghaziabad is the cheapest restaurant in India with an average bill of 2% of 283. The second most affordable restaurant is in Amritsar. The graph shows that most expensive restaurants average 136 for two people in Hyderabad and Jaipur coming in second. This is the graph shows. And coming to this city with the cheapest and expensive restaurants in USA, this shows that what are the states and states for example restaurants, average cost of two people for this particular restaurant. You can see here. This graph shows city with cheapest and expensive restaurants in USA. In the location states, United States with the least expensive and most expensive restaurants are the particular interested to us. To do this, we'll calculate the most affordable and expensive restaurants in each of the cities. A bar chart is made when using the results of the calculation in the USA. Kansas, Fernley, and McLean has the least expensive restaurants in United States, which shown here. And the graph shows Princeton has the most expensive restaurant with two persons average bill of $70, which shown here. And coming to the next one, country with the count of restaurants. You can see here India has 750 countries, Philippines has 22 restaurants, and United States 432. Brazil 60. These are the restaurant that the Zomato services are providing. And these are the list of basic four countries in this data set. And this is the total count with the restaurants with Zomato services. And we show the number of restaurants of each country in our Zomato database in the graph above. We found that the country with biggest population, India, has a huge amount of restaurants, followed by United States, Brazil, and China, 750 restaurants below. Countries with least rating. It shows that ratings of the countries in the Zomato services. United States 4.004, Singapore 3.575, Brazil 3.763, Dubai 4.233, India 3.462, and Philippines 4.468. Among these, India has a least rating with 3.462, and Philippines has highest rating with 4.468. Among these above, India has a lowest mark 3.462, while the Philippines received the best grade 4.468. According to the main graph, which also displays which nations has the lowest ratings below. And restaurants with large number of votes in the USA. Actually, we took USA because we got a lot of restaurants here, and you can see this Ben Sticks house has more votes, and these are the this graph shows that what are the restaurants that has highest number of votes and least number of votes, which shown here. Votes and restaurant name, x axis and y axis. And bench Texas and Marcus Irish Pub and Red Cans has the highest votes according to the chat above. And thank you.